What's up, everybody? Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com. Fresh arrival 1972 Chevelle, powered by a 350 rebuilt 4-speed 12-bolt rear end. Black, 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 triple black. Nice car. It's got a rebuilt 350 with 30 over. It's got a muscle cam. It's got headers, Flowmaster exhaust, 12-bolt with a 373 posi rear end. Panels are really, really nice. It's an older restoration that was framed off. Frame was dipped. Paint has a great shine in it, but it does have some flaws, so I'm going to call it driver quality. But it isn't price crazy. It's a nice, fun running, great handling car. I just got done driving it. Nice and tight. The clutch is good. It's got a Hurst 4-speed in there. It's got the blackout bumpers. Body lines are clean. Vinyl top is in good shape. I'll show it all to you. Your front bumper is blacked out. All your lights are working and gauges the way they should. Hood lines up good to the passenger fender. To the driver's fender, it's off just a little bit. That means it's maybe time for a little bit of shims, either in the fender or there, but nothing bad. When I get off it, you really can't see it. Your front windshield's in real good shape. Your grill's in good shape. It's sitting on American thrust tire wheels, tire package, front wheel disc brakes in front. You can see me in there. Hi, everybody. But there is some flaws. Lines up good. You got a little bit of like a leprosy coming through. I mean, it still shines good and looks good from a few feet away, but it's in there. You got a scratch here. Great cruising car. Fun to go to the shows. The black bumper and back's been blacked out as well. All your lights and turn signals are working. Trunk lines up good. A lot of these panels are brand new from the build. And I put a full description of everything online and over 100 photos. You got some scratches here. They're not in the paint. Could probably buff out. I'll try to work on them a little bit more, but when you get off them, they go away. Rear quarter's in good shape. Lines up good to the door. I think that's an original quarter too. All your wheels are good. American racing wheels are nice setup. Fender lines up to the door real well. Just nice all the way through. Let me get down on an angle. Vinyl top's in good shape. All your glass around the car is in good shape. A couple minor little flaws being an original glass, but it's fine. Top is in good shape. Underneath is real clean. Door panel's in good shape all the way through. Black bucket interior. Carpets are good. Dash pad is good. Headliner's all there. Back deck is good. Back seat is good. Aftermarket gauge package. Car is showing 76,949 miles on her. 4-speed Hurst shifter. The steering column, no knob on it. Seems to always been a 4-speed car. Real clean inside here. All your weather stripping throughout the car is good. Trunk's in real good shape. Looks like a brand new trunk. Quarters are great. Whoever did this car did it right. Oh, you got an original quarter there. Clean trunk. Disc brakes up front. Power steering. Real clean under here. Freshly built 350, 30 over. Nice cam. It's got a real good sound. All your belts and hoses are in good shape. New fan inside. All right, let's fire Black Betty up. Let's see if this baby gone wild. All right. Sounds good. You give it a little bit more gas. Good sound. Nice car. So if you're looking to do some financing with us and you're anywhere from a 639 to a 740, please go directly to my website, mgmclassiccars.com. Find the car, hit apply now, minimum down 10%, will go as far as 84 months. If you're a 740 and above, please go directly to lightstream.com. Sometimes no money down, up to 84 months. Approvals generally within 24 hours. We have over 120 vehicles in stock ready for immediate delivery. Located in Addison, Illinois. We ship all over the United States, opened and enclosed, bonded and insured to wherever it's going. Please call me if you have questions on the cars or need quotes on shipping. Call or text me at 773-600-0919. Again, my name is Earl, 773-600-0919. 919. We are located, like I said, in Addison, Illinois. We're open Monday through Friday from 9 to 5, Saturday from 10 to 2, by appointment only. Again, text me or call me. I'll get you in. You can spend some time with the car. If you have any questions, we could chat. You've got my phone number. I'll give it to you again, 773-600-0919. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook. And thanks for checking out this 1972 Chevelle Triple Black. Nice car. Well worth it. Give me a call. Let's get this baby home to you. Have a great day, everybody. You'll see me soon.